Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we have some more new and trending ecosystem quests on Layer 3. We have Eigenlayer, which will claim your airdrop Season 2 rewards if you have not done so already. The token's not available to transfer yet, so I think it's at the end of the month, at the end of September. And then Reown, which is formerly Wallet Connect. Oh, Reown. Okay. Which will have an airdrop soon. And the LayerZero airdrop, the second one, which, man, this one kind of hurt. I'll go into the details of this one, but unfortunately, I was not able to claim any of this round. So we'll dive into that and more but before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like airdrops and all that fun stuff, like these different projects. Layer 3, just by completing these quests and campaigns, you would qualify for some of these other airdrops indirectly. So it's a good thing to participate in this ecosystem because there's a lot of different projects and things to do, and it's all about getting your on-chain activity up. So the more transactions you have, the more activity you have on these networks and projects, the better your chances are of getting a good allocation. So we do have a Discord if you ever need any help navigating this space. Link is in the description below. We got a lot going on in here, a bunch of different channels. If you do find yourself having limited access, go to the rules and guidelines here, scroll to the bottom, click the thumbs up, and you will have access. So thank you to everyone who has been just helping build this out. It's been amazing. I appreciate all your hard work and everyone in there answering questions and being so helpful. Y'all are amazing. And I thought I did this one already. Okay. Either way, we're going to get into it. So Eigenlayer. Eigenlayer is a liquid restaking protocol on Ethereum. Season 2 stake drop rewards recognizes stakers, operators, ecosystem partners, and community members. The claim window is open from September 16th, 24 to March 16th, 25. So why stake Eigen? Eigen enhances network security, supports actively validated services or AVSs, and earns rewards as the Eigenlayer ecosystem grows. You can check your drop here, claims.eigenfoundation.org. For my wallet, I do not have any, so we will continue and stake your Eigen tokens. If you do have any, you can click on this, or any new transaction on Ethereum, or any transaction on Ethereum will allow you access. But this is where you basically do it. If you have your tokens here, you can deposit into one of these pools, delegate to them, and you'll be good to go. So Reown, formerly Wallet Connect, offers toolkits like AppKit and WalletKit, enabling seamless, secure, and intuitive Web3 experiences. It's revolutionizing how digital ownership works in the decentralized space. Since its inception in 2018, Wallet Connect has powered over 150 million connections, giving more than 23 million users secure access to Web3. At the heart of this ecosystem is WCT, or the utility token of Wallet Connect network, driving innovation, security, and governance for a truly decentralized on-chain experience. So WCT, Wallet Connect token, supports governance, staking rewards, and fees, ensuring community-driven growth and control within the Wallet Connect network. WCT airdrop registration opens September 24th with eligibility based on Wallet Connect network activity for both users and builders. So Wallet Connect, it's one of the weird ones that you see a lot when you're logging in to different projects. To learn more about Wallet Connect, let's just go to Stargate and I'll show you a little quick something right here. Connect, Wallet Connect, and it's this little guy. So that's the Wallet Connect, and if you've used it before, you might be eligible for the airdrop. So pretty cool. Keep this one, Reown, on your radar. And next up, the LayerZero. Man, so wallets that claimed the Zero token and used the LayerZero at least once after the Zero token launched are eligible for additional tokens. Any tokens not claimed in the next 30 days will go to the foundation. So you need to have made one transaction on the LayerZero network. And unfortunately for my wallet, since it was the hacked wallet, I haven't really used that wallet on LayerZero at all. So instead of getting probably over 300 more tokens, which would be like $1,000, I get a big fat zero. So it's very ineligible. Oh man, yeah, that was sad. That was really sad. But we go on, man. We go on. Win some, lose some. get robbed for some, but it's all good. We got a lot of cool stuff coming down to this last stretch of the year. We got little over 3 months left, one more quarter, and it's going to be, look back at 2020 and 2021 when crypto just started booming right around Thanksgiving, Christmas time. It was amazing. So make sure you're prepared, get in these quests and campaigns and earn as many rewards as you can before it's too late, and make sure you got your bags packed. So I appreciate you all so much. And remember, we have a Discord link is in the description below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace out.